On construction sites across America right now, machines are operating that are so massive, so powerful, so far beyond anything ordinary equipment can do that engineers from around the world are stopping to take notice. These are not regular bulldozers. These are not standard cranes. These are mechanical giants built to move mountains, dig trenches in minutes, and lift objects that should be physically impossible to lift. 7 machines, 7 displays of raw American engineering power. Welcome to Quantum BattleCore. Let's go to work. Number 1. The Mammoet PTC 200DS. Some cranes lift cars, some lift containers. This crane lifts entire sections of buildings at once. The Mammoet PTC 200DS is a ring crane, meaning instead of standing on simple outriggers, it sits on a massive circular base that distributes its weight evenly, allowing it to lift loads that would instantly tip over any conventional crane on Earth. This monster can lift up to 5,000 metric tons in a single motion. That's roughly the weight of 50 fully loaded Boeing 747 aircraft hoisted into the sky as if it were nothing. It's used to assemble massive industrial structures, power plant components, offshore wind turbines, refinery modules, pieces so heavy that no other machine on the planet could move them safely. Its ring base can be configured in different diameters depending on the job, giving operators the ability to custom build the exact lifting capacity a project demands. When the world's heaviest industrial objects need to move, there's only one machine capable of doing it without hesitation. The Mammoet PTC 200DS. Proof that with the right engineering, nothing is too heavy to lift. Number 2. The P&H 4800 XPC. Standing over 7 stories tall, this is not a piece of equipment. This is a mechanical mountain built to devour the Earth itself. The P&H 4800 XPC is one of the largest electric rope shovels ever constructed, designed specifically for massive open-pit mining operations where ordinary excavators simply can't compete. Its bucket alone can scoop up to 100 cubic yards of material in a single pass, enough rock and earth to fill several standard dump trucks in one single bite. Despite its colossal size, this machine runs on electric power, drawing energy through massive cables rather than diesel fuel, making it not only more powerful, but significantly more efficient for continuous, round-the-clock operations. Mining companies rely on machines like this to move millions of tons of material every single year, material that powers industries across the entire globe. This isn't just heavy machinery. This is industrial-scale earth-moving on a scale most people will never witness in person. The P&H 4800 XPC. When the job is bigger than imagination, America builds bigger machines. Number 3. The Menzi Muck M545X. Most excavators are powerful but limited. They need flat ground, stable footing, predictable terrain. This machine doesn't care about any of that. The Menzi Muck M545X is known as a spider excavator, and once you see it move, you'll understand exactly why. Its 4 independently articulating legs allow it to climb steep slopes, navigate riverbanks, balance on uneven terrain, and even work while partially submerged in water, capabilities that would leave a normal excavator completely stuck. Each leg can extend, retract, and adjust independently, meaning the M545X can literally reposition its entire body to maintain perfect stability, even on slopes exceeding 45 degrees. This incredible flexibility makes it indispensable for disaster recovery, riverbank maintenance, forestry work, and extreme terrain construction where conventional machines simply cannot operate safely. Watching this machine move feels less like watching construction equipment and more like watching a mechanical creature adapt to its environment in real time. The Menzi Muck M545X, proof that the toughest terrain on Earth is no match for the right engineering. Number 4. The Tesmec 1475 Evo. Digging a trench used to take hours of slow, repetitive labor. This machine does it in minutes and with terrifying precision. The Tesmec 1475 Evo is a massive chain trencher capable of cutting through soil, rock, and even frozen ground with a continuous rotating chain lined with hardened steel cutting teeth.
This machine can dig trenches up to several feet deep and wide in a single continuous pass, perfect for laying pipelines, fiber optic cables, and underground utility systems across massive distances. Its cutting chain rotates at incredible speed, shredding through compacted earth and rock that would destroy the blade of a standard excavator within minutes. Operators can precisely control trench depth and width with millimeter-level accuracy, ensuring underground infrastructure is installed exactly to specification every single time. Major infrastructure projects rely on machines like the Tesmec to lay the invisible networks that power modern civilization, energy, water, and communication buried safely beneath our feet. The Tesmec 1475 EVO, carving the future one trench at a time. Number 5. The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane. What happens when a job is too big, too remote, or too dangerous for ground equipment to reach? You send in the Skycrane. This is one of the most distinctive helicopters ever built, instantly recognizable by its unique skeletal frame, designed with no traditional fuselage because its entire purpose is one thing: lifting massive external loads. The S-64 can carry payloads of up to 25,000 pounds, hauling everything from construction materials and heavy machinery components to entire prefabricated structures, dropping them precisely into locations no truck or crane could ever reach. It's also used for wildfire suppression, carrying massive water tanks capable of dumping thousands of gallons onto raging wildfires in a single pass. With a pilot seated facing backward in a rear-facing cockpit, operators can watch their cargo with perfect visibility as they guide massive loads into position with surgical precision. This machine has been saving lives and building impossible projects for over 50 years, and it remains one of the most capable heavy-lift helicopters ever created. The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane, proof that sometimes the only way up is straight up.
Number 6. The Caterpillar D11. When people picture the most powerful bulldozer on planet Earth, this is the machine they're picturing. The Caterpillar D11 is an absolute legend in heavy machinery, weighing over 230,000 pounds and powered by a massive diesel engine producing over 850 horsepower. Its blade alone can move enough material in a single push to fill multiple standard dump trucks, flattening hills, clearing massive job sites, and reshaping landscapes with a power that feels almost unstoppable. The D11 is used on the world's largest mining and infrastructure projects, where ordinary bulldozers would simply break down under the pressure of the workload required. Its advanced hydraulic systems allow precise blade control even while moving enormous loads of earth and rock, giving operators the ability to shape terrain with surprising accuracy despite the machine's massive size. For decades, the Caterpillar D11 has represented the gold standard of heavy earth-moving equipment, a title it has never relinquished. The Caterpillar D11. When the job requires raw, uncompromising power, this is the machine that gets called. And number 7, the Watermaster. Most construction equipment stops where the water begins. This machine simply keeps going. The Watermaster is a fully amphibious dredging vehicle capable of operating directly on water while performing tasks that would normally require multiple separate pieces of equipment. This incredible machine can dredge sediment from rivers, lakes, and harbors, clear aquatic vegetation, and even assist in environmental cleanup operations, all from a single self-propelled platform that floats and maneuvers like a boat. Its modular design allows different tools and attachments to be swapped depending on the job, making it equally effective for flood control, harbor maintenance, mining operations, and environmental restoration projects around the world. Because it requires no dry land access point, the Watermaster can be deployed in locations that would be completely inaccessible to traditional land-based construction equipment. This isn't just a dredger, it's a multi-purpose amphibious workhorse, solving problems no other machine is built to handle. The Watermaster, proof that even water is no longer a limit for construction engineering. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to Quantum BattleCore, and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next.
because somewhere, right now, an even bigger machine is already being built.